Michael, I really need to ask you about the word did.
Oh? Tell me, what is confusing you exactly?
Honestly, I don't understand it, and I don't know how to use it.
Ah, I see. You are confused about did versus was and were, right?
Exactly. It is a nightmare. I feel like I'm always guessing.
Well, listen, stop guessing. And please, stop memorizing. Today, you will finally understand the difference with simple logic. But before we start, a quick request for our amazing listeners. Please support us, like this video, and subscribe to the channel.
Done. That sounds fair. Now, please teach me.
All right, let's start with a very common mistake.
Oh boy, I am nervous now.
Don't be. Just tell me, how do you ask this?
Okay, ask what exactly?
Ask if I was busy yesterday.
Easy. I say, did you busy yesterday?
Stop right there. That is the big mistake.
Really? Is that wrong? It sounds correct to me.
I know, but we never say, did you busy?
But did is for the past, right?
Yes, but did does not work with busy.
Oh no, I say that every single day.
Relax, Olivia. Many advanced students say that too.
So, did you busy is 100% incorrect?
Unfortunately, yes. It sounds very unnatural to native speakers.
I feel a little embarrassed now.
Please don't be. Making mistakes is how we learn.
Thanks, Michael. You are very kind.
It is just logic. Busy is an adjective.
An adjective? You mean a describing word?
Exactly, like happy, tired, or angry.
I see. And did doesn't like adjectives.
Bingo. Did hates adjectives. They are not friends.
That is a funny way to remember it.
It helps, so never put them together.
Okay, no did with happy or busy.
Correct. We need a different word for those words.
Wait, do we use was or were?
You guessed it, but let's take it step by step.
Okay, I am ready. Tell me the secret.
Okay, rule number 1. Did is the boss of actions.
Actions? You mean like moving my body?
Exactly. Verbs like run, eat, play, or go.
Okay, so I use did to ask about these things.
Yes. For example, did you eat breakfast?
Eat is the action. That is clear.
Now listen carefully. This is the magic rule.
I'm listening. What is the magic?
Did steals the past tense from the verb.
It steals it? What do you mean?
I mean, we say, did you go, not did you went.
Ah, that is so hard for me to remember.
Think of did as a thief. It takes the past form.
So the main verb stays simple. Base form?
Precisely. Did you play, not played.
Okay, let me try. Did you watched TV?
Nope. The thief is there. Try again.
Oops! Did you watch TV?
Perfect. You kept the verb simple.
And how do I answer you?
Keep it short. Yes, I did.
Or if the answer is negative?
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Simple.
Exactly. We don't say, yes, I watched.
Just yes, I did is enough.
It is enough and very natural.
Okay, did plus action. I've got this.
Great. But what if you want to say no in a full sentence?
I'm not sure. Tell me.
To say no for actions, we use didn't.
Didn't. That is short for did not, right?
Correct. And the rule is exactly the same.
You mean didn't is also a thief?
Yes, didn't steals the past tense too.
So I didn't ate is wrong?
Very wrong. It hurts my ears.
Okay, it must be I didn't eat.
Bingo! You use the base verb, always.
Let me try another one. I didn't call him.
Perfect. Call, not called.
This makes it easier, actually. I don't need irregular verbs.
Exactly. You just need the simple form.
So if I want to say I stayed home,
You say, I didn't go out.
I didn't go out. Nice and smooth.
Tell me about your sleep last night.
Well, I didn't sleep very well.
Look at you. You are using it perfectly.
It feels natural now. Didn't plus action.
Yes, but never use didn't with adjectives.
Right. No, I didn't happy.
Exactly. We will talk about that later.
Okay. Did and didn't are for actions only.
You have mastered the hardest part, Olivia.
Yay! But when exactly did these things happen?
Ah, good question. We need time words.
Time words like tomorrow?
No, past words. Let's practice those. To speak about the past, we need time markers.
Okay, the most famous one is yesterday.
Yes, did you work yesterday?
Yes, I did. That one is easy.
What about the night before today?
I usually say last night.
Correct. We use last with many things.
Like last week or last month?
Exactly. But be careful with yesterday.
Why? Can I say last yesterday?
No, never say last yesterday. Just yesterday.
Oh, I make that mistake sometimes. Good to know.
Also, we have the word ago.
Ago. That means before now?
Yes, like 2 days ago.
Or 5 minutes ago?
Perfect. Now ask me a question with a time word.
Okay. Did you call me 10 minutes ago?
No, I didn't call you. See? Natural flow.
Let me try last. Did you see the movie last night?
Yes, I did. You sound very fluent, Olivia.
The time words help the listener understand.
They do. They set the scene.
So, yesterday, last night, 2 days ago.
You are ready for the next level.
Next level? Is it harder?
No, it is different. It is the was and were level.
Oh, the description words. I am ready.
Let's switch our brains to description mode.
Switching now. Tell me the rule.
Okay, let's switch our brains to description mode.
Description mode. On. No actions allowed?
No actions, just feelings, places, or jobs.
Like happy or at the park.
Exactly. For these, we use was or were.
How do I choose which one?
Was is for one person, singular.
Like I, he, or she?
Yes, I was tired.
I was tired.
He was late.
He was late.
She was a doctor.
Okay, singular equals was.
Now for plural, we use were.
Were. Like we and they?
Yes, we were excited.
We were excited.
They were at school. Perfect. But there is one special rule.
Uh-oh, a special rule?
You. You always takes were.
Even if I am talking to one person?
Yes, always say you were.
You were hungry.
Exactly. Never you was.
Okay, you were. I will remember that.
So, did you hungry is gone forever.
R.I.P. Did you hungry?
It is strictly were you hungry.
Were you at the gym?
Yes, location.
Was she nice?
Yes, adjective.
I feel the difference now.
Action needs did, description needs was, were. Now let's learn how to say no with descriptions.
Okay, negative descriptions.
Was not becomes wasn't.
Wasn't. That is easy to say.
I wasn't ready.
He wasn't nice to me.
She wasn't there.
Okay, now what about were not?
That becomes weren't.
Weren't? That is a bit hard.
It is one syllable, fast. Weren't.
Weren't. Like that?
Faster. Weren't.
Weren't. They weren't happy.
Perfect pronunciation.
We weren't at home.
You weren't listening.
Hey, I was listening to you.
Just an example, Olivia.
Okay, good. I got scared.
So never use didn't here.
I didn't busy is wrong?
Horrible. It must be I wasn't busy.
I wasn't tired.
We weren't late.
This feels very logical now.
It is math. Subject plus be verb.
No did thief here?
No thieves, just the verb to be.
I like this rule better.
Now, the most important rule of all.
More important than the thief?
Yes, never mix them together.
Mix what exactly?
Never put did and was in one sentence.
Like, did you was?
Stop, that hurts my heart.
Sorry, did you were?
No, never. That is illegal grammar.
Why is it so bad though?
Because you have two past tenses fighting.
Two past tenses fighting?
Exactly. Did is past. Was is past.
Ah, only one captain per ship.
Correct. Choose one path only.
Path A, action. Use did.
Path B, description. Use was or were.
So, did you happy?
Wrong path. Happy is a description.
Were you happy?
Correct path. You are safe.
Did you go?
Correct path. Action.
Were you go?
Crash. Go is an action.
So, actions hate was were.
And descriptions hate did. They are enemies.
Totally. Keep them separate.
I will keep them far apart. Okay, let's compare them side by side.
I love comparisons. It makes it clear.
I will give you a topic. You give me the sentences.
Okay, I am ready. Give me the topic.
Topic. Food. Ask about eating.
Action. Did you eat lunch?
Perfect. Now ask about hungry.
Description. Were you hungry?
See? Same topic, different grammar.
Did you eat versus were you hungry?
Topic. School. Ask about going there.
Action. Did you go to school?
Now ask about being there. Location.
Description. Were you at school?
You are a genius, Olivia.
It clicks now. Action uses did. Location uses were.
One more. Topic. Sleep.
Action. Did you sleep well?
And the feeling? Tired.
Description. Were you tired?
You have graduated from grammar school.
That feels good.
So look at the word after the person.
If it is a verb, use did.
If it is an adjective or place, use was, were.
Simple logic. No magic.
Exactly. Now let's use it in real life.
Let's do it. A real conversation.
So, Olivia, how was your weekend?
It was great. I was very busy, though.
Oh, really? What did you do?
Well, on Saturday, I went to the beach.
Nice. Was the weather good?
Yes, it was sunny, but the water was cold.
Did you swim?
No, I didn't swim. I just walked.
Were you with your family?
No, I wasn't. I was with my friends.
Did you eat at a restaurant?
Yes, we did. We ate seafood.
Was it delicious?
It was amazing, but it was expensive.
Did you stay there late?
No, we didn't. We came home early.
Why? Were you tired?
Yes, we were exhausted.
See what just happened?
What happened?
You used did, was, and were perfectly.
Wow, I didn't even think about it.
That is the goal, to speak naturally.
Was the weather good? Did you swim?
It flows like water when you know the rule.
I feel so confident now.
You should be. You mastered it.
Thanks, Michael. This method really works.
Let's do a super quick recap.
Okay, let's lock it in my brain.
Rule 1. Did creates questions for actions.
Formula: did plus person plus base verb.
Example.
Did you play?
Rule 2. Didn't creates negatives for actions.
Formula: person plus didn't plus base verb.
Example.
I didn't play.
Rule 3. Was, were describe feelings or places.
Was were plus person plus adjective.
Example.
Were you happy? Was he there?
Rule 4. The golden rule.
Never mix did and was.
They are enemies. Keep them apart.
So, did you happy is forbidden.
And did you was is a crime.
Got it. Actions equal did, descriptions equal be.
If you remember this, you are fluent.
It is clear as crystal now.
Excellent. Now let's talk to our viewers.
Yes, they need homework.
You did an amazing job today, everyone.
Yes, if I can learn this, you can too.
We want to see your sentences now.
Homework time. What should they write?
Write one sentence with did.
And one sentence with was or were.
Put them in the comments below.
I will read them and correct mistakes.
Also, if this video helped you,
Please hit the like button. It helps us.
and subscribe to Daily English Practice.
We have more fun lessons coming soon.
Don't miss the next video.
What is the next topic, Michael?
It is a surprise, but it is very important.
Ooh, mysterious. I can't wait.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Keep practicing every day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Take care.